This aerial footage shows how this Russian armored personnel carrier has no chance as it is blasted apart by Ukrainian artillery. Several strikes can be seen landing on and around the APC, which appears to be hiding among residential homes and eventually catches fire. The Tu-S-1 Gvozdika is operated by several countries, including both Russia and Ukraine. It is not clear where in Ukraine the strikes took place. The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine reported earlier today that Russia had lost around 23,800 troops over the course of the invasion thus far. The Armed Forces of Ukraine General Staff also said Russia had lost 1,048 tanks, 2,519 armored fighting vehicles, 459 artillery systems, 152 multiple launch rocket systems, 80 air defense systems, 194 warplanes, 155 helicopters, 1,824 vehicles, 8 vessels, 271 tactical unmanned aerial vehicles, 38 units of special equipment, and 84 cruise missiles. The Ministry of Defense of the Russian Federation did not give personnel losses for Ukraine, but said the Ukrainian armed forces had lost 146 warplanes, 112 helicopters, 683 unmanned aerial vehicles, 281 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,756 tanks and armored fighting vehicles, 316 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,234 units of artillery and mortars, and 2,563 military vehicles over the same period. Russian troops invaded Ukraine in what the Kremlin is now calling a special military operation to protect Donbas. The invasion is now in its 68th day. In recent developments, the European Union remains unable to agree on ending supplies of Russian oil and gas. Hungary is saying it will oppose a proposal to embargo the former, while Germany admits it is not ready to block the latter. Current oil and gas supplies earn Russia millions of euros a day, which it uses to fund its war in Ukraine. Elsewhere, around 100 people have been evacuated from the besieged Azovstal metallurgical plant in the southeastern port city of Mariupol. They are due to arrive in areas still held by Ukraine. Hundreds of civilians still remain trapped in the vast industrial complex. And authorities said a key bridge linking part of the Odessa region in southwestern Ukraine to the rest of the south of the country was hit by a Russian rocket today.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.